Hi there, Ellie here, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Ooni Koda 12 after 3 years. Let's do it. I love the cook from the gas-only pizza ovens. They're so easy to control, and the Ooni Koda 12 cooks up to 12-inch pizza. The Koda 12 gas burner reaches from one side to the other at the back. And after 3 years of using this pizza oven, I have had no problems with it. Nothing has been replaced, and the burner is functioning exactly how it used to from day one. The Ooni Koda 12 is really easy to set up. All you need to do is unfold the legs, put the stone in, and attach the gas to the bottle, ignite, move the dial to full flame, and heat the oven up until the stone reaches 430 degrees centigrade in the centre. When you are ready to cook, turn the flame on the dial down to 3/4 or to half flame. This is my favourite place on the dial. So with the dial here, I just want to show you how easy it is to turn it accidentally off. So all you do is just move this a bit further than you want it to. It's still on now, a little location view there. But if I just move it slightly up, boom, it goes out. There's nothing to stop you turning the dial further than max. So there's nothing to stop you just going over that line, and then that's off. If you go down to minimum, there's a stop. You can't go anymore. As you can see, it's on, but there's like, I can't physically turn it anymore. But with the max, I can just go all the way, and I can go full on just slightly more to about there, and it goes off without even going anywhere near the actual stop off place. So it's trying to find that maximum place without it actually going off. Well, it's just over the big flame there, and I've got it on big flame. There's my flame. And if you're interested to know what the knob looks like when it's off, because I just accidentally did it, it looks like that. There are. That's the inner workings of the gas down knob. It goes back on easily though. You just match up the top bit there with the bit there, and then it's on again. The structure of the oven hasn't changed in all this time, and every year there are a few more scratches accumulating on the sides of the oven where I bounce my metal turning peel against it sometimes. But other than that, the oven is looking really good. The outside structure of the oven hasn't changed at all, and I just wipe that down with a cloth when it's cool. The outer side of the oven has always got very hot and always will. This oven, pretty much apart from my few scratches, looks exactly the same as when I bought it. I mean, budget-wise, when I started off with this oven, I was looking for a bargain, entry-level pizza oven, and that's what I got, but it didn't compromise on the quality of the pizza that it cooked. It just meant that I was having a gas-only function, which keeps the oven price down because you're not having a multi-fueled function. And so just opting for the gas at the beginning, learning to cook with it, enjoying it, making pizza that I liked. The price of this oven has been worth the value. I've had it for 3 years. I've cooked so many pizzas with it. It's definitely paid me back in costs of pizzas going out to restaurants or takeaways and things like that. So 3 years later, my total thoughts on this oven are that I'm so glad I bought it back then. I was very pleased with it then. I think that my cooking skills have improved since using the Koda 12, and it's enabled me to really develop my pizza cooking skills because of the versatility of the flame, making it small, making it large or low and high. Having that at the back does help you learn to cook pizza very well. The gas is so easily adjustable to the flame size, which does make a difference when you're learning to cook, because when I started out, having a low flame would have been a bit more useful than having a full-on pellet wood-fired flame, which is what I started out with, which wasn't easily manageable as it is with a gas. So learning to cook pizza in this oven is great. I think though, if you've got a bigger budget, learning to cook in the Koda 16 might be even better because you've got more room. However, this is a great value oven, and if you're starting off with cooking pizza, you just cannot go wrong. I just love it. I haven't got anything bad to say about it. Just one thing that does kind of need some, I hope, development in the future is the dial at the back. I think it needs to be more clear with its markings, and also the stop to the full max isn't there. You can just move it to off, trying to find the full flame on your dial. Other than that, this oven, I just love it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you enjoyed it too. Smash the like button if you did, and I'll see you soon. Bye.